What's the meaning of body armor? Body armor. Body armor.
Body armor. Body armor. Body armor refers to a protective clothing designed to shield the wearer's body from external harm, such as bullets or shrapnel. The use of body armor dates back to the Middle Ages, with knights wearing metal armor to protect themselves in battle. In modern times, soldiers, law enforcement officers, and even civilians wear body armor to protect themselves from threats in dangerous situations. Body armor can be made from different materials such as Kevlar, steel, and ceramic, each having its own unique properties. The effectiveness of body armor varies depending on its level of protection and the type of threat it is designed to stop.